Today I'll be showing you how to install a 2-wire option into a Calsense CS3000 controller. The things you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, the 2-wire module, and the protective cover and screws that come with the 2-wire module. So we'll start by opening the controller. First thing you'll do, remove the screws that allow you to gain access behind the faceplate. Open the faceplate, and as always, when we're working or installing any electronic equipment, the first thing we do is turn the power off. So I'm going to do this by removing this plug like so. This is a wall mount, but if you were working on a pedestal, pedestals come with a switch that allows you to turn the power off. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is locate the position of the 2-wire module on the main board, and that goes right here. It's marked right over here. What you'll do, turn the 2-wire module over, find the connection right here, find the connection on the main board right here, flip the 2-wire module back over, align the connections, and push firmly until you feel it seat properly. Now, the next thing, you're going to install the 4 screws that hold it in, but not all the way. The protective aluminum cover slides underneath these screws, so you want to put them in a little, maybe halfway or a little more, and then you'll slide the protective cover underneath the screws and do your final tightening. Now that I have them most of the way in, simply take the cover, place it on like so, making sure the tabs are underneath the screws, and then do your final tighten with a screwdriver. Once you've got everything tight, we're going to restore the power. Wait till the controller boots up. Go down to setup, over, and down to about. And then we're looking for this 2-wire to appear under modular kits. Once you see it's there, you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much and have a great day.